So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to crop an image within the Scilab 2025. So how we can do that? First of all, we have to open our SciNotes. SciNote is just like an editor file. So we can write SciNotes here in the console and we can press enter. And it will lead us to the editor RM file page. So here we can write our code. So first of all, we have to read our image. So I have written a function that is called as the imread. So what it will do, it will take the link of the file or the location of the file, and then it will read all the image, and then it will give all the image data back to the im variable, that is im variable or im variable. So we have to give the location of our image file within these two commas. So we can go and we can take here, in your PC you are supposed to take some other image of your own choice. Here I am just reading this image, so it is Sedum japonicum. So we can right click on it, go to its properties, we can copy its location, okay, and Sedum japonicum.png. this is the name and this is the .png is its type. So we can go here, we can copy its location, then again we will go, we will copy its name and note its .png type. Okay, where let me write slash control V and .png is its type. So all the image information will be gone to im variable, and then I am write imshow of imshow command will actually show us the image or display the image. So give it any name. Yes. So now you can see that I have opened up my image. After this has been done, okay, now there must be a point like here. So wait, let me see. So obviously if this is an image, we have to choose a point, just like you can see there is a point. Okay, I am placing my cursor on a single point. So we have to give the coordinates of that point in the form of x and y. So we will write x is equal to like 100 and y is equal to like 90. So this is a point. You can write any other location, and then we will go first x, both x comma y will give us a point. Just like let's assume the point is under my cursor, so this is my point, and then I will give the width and length, width and height, so I will just write width is equal to 180 and height HEI is equal to 110. So these are just random values, okay, because I just want that from this point our width is 180 and from this point downwards, okay, sorry, it is height, so it is upward, so it is 110, it is 110. So okay, so it is width and height. So now we have given this, and now we will go for m2 is equal to mcrop command, mcrop, and within this mcrop command we will give the name of the image, which is im, and here we will write x, y, width and height, 4 parameters that we are supposed to crop the image. Which image? This is this im, okay, and then x, y, width and height, and then we need to write figure that. Okay, figure is just like GUI command. It will create a GUI for us like this, and then we write im show of m2. So let's see that either it has what they said, im crop. Okay, well, let me see. The side m comma xy width and height. So width and height and x and y and m. So all the things are correct actually. What? Okay, here this is m show. So I will run it out, save and execute. Okay, now you can see that our image has been cropped. So you can change the point. Okay, so you can change the values of x, y, width and height, and then you can get your image cropped up like this. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can crop an image within the Scilab. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.